Hello friend, in today's lesson we learn about the del statement in Python. The del statement, it is actually a way to remove an item from a list given its index instead of its value. Unlike the remove method associated with the list, where remove will able to remove an item from the item or element from a sequence by passing a value to it, but here it needs the index of that value to remove the particular element. But pop also do the same thing, but how it differ? Pop will return a value. Suppose you are popping a element from a sequence, then what it will do? It will return a value. You can keep it inside a variable, keep it with a variable, but here it don't return any kind of value. It is simply used to delete a particular value by or through its index. And this del statement can also be used to remove slice of a sequence or to delete an entire sequence or entire list. Let's go for an example. Suppose I am creating a list. Okay, so suppose I am creating a list here. So now if I want to print this thing, so this is the list. Now I want to delete the second element. What is the index of second element? 5. The index of 5 is what? 1. So it is starting from 0 and the index of 5 is 1. Now I want to del L of which index? Index 1 I am saying. Okay, then after that print L. So it will remove the element present at index 1, that means 5. Okay, so 5 is deleted and the remaining element is without 5. If you want to delete a slice, okay, delete L. Suppose slice I want this two value 8 4. What is the index of 8 is 1 and index of 4 is 2. So it will start from 1 and end with 3, because below 2 it will delete below 2. So then print L. You can see here 8 4 are deleted because any slice start from its starting value and end before of its ending value. So index 1 and 2 is deleted. Index 1 is 8 and index 2 is 4. So both are deleted. If you want to delete the entire sequence, that means delete, you can use this format, or you can use the slice format. This way both are okay. You can use this, also you can use this method also. Both are possible to delete. Okay, if I execute, this is now if I want to print L, so it will showing a blank list. Okay, thank you. So these three options you can do. You can do a particular element by its index, you can remove a slice, and you can delete the entire sequence. But mind it, here nothing is returning from the execution of del. So after execution of del, no value is returning. Like in a pop, it returning the deleted element, but here nothing is returned. Thank you.